Okay, so I'm at the charging station. I'm going to turn the power off on the car. No, first I'm going to go to my setup, my EV setup. Turn off the air conditioner so we don't get any wind. I'm going to go to the charge management. I'm going to make sure that all my scheduling is turned off. As far as temperature, max charge, I'm going to put up to 70%. And as you can see, I'm at 47% now. And my max charge for the DC is set to 80%. So now I'm going to turn the car off as recommended. And now I'm going to the charging station. It says plug in first. So I'm going to plug it in. And just those fingers right there. So that's plugged in. Now getting it connecting to vehicle. Okay, pay by credit card. I'm going to put my card in credit card slot. If I can find it. Authorizing, please wait. Says it's approved. Going to remove the card. Now it says processing payment. It says it's authorized. Initiating charging. And there it is, vehicle timeout. Your vehicle is no longer communicating with the charger. To start a new charging session, unplug and reconnect. Blah, blah, blah. Same thing every time.